What advice would you offer somebody that's starting within the industry?
Be open to mentorship, I guess. That's what I find, is that the mentorship piece of our industry has grown and evolved and is becoming probably the biggest part of helping people advance their careers, helping them advance their knowledge set, being better at your job, like that One thing, when you first start out, there's a lot coming at you. And I think that one of the things that I've been trying to figure out as I've been kind of pondering this question about how do we get more people into our industry is, I think that it is a very engineering heavy industry, and a lot of it is technical knowledge and things like that. And I'm wondering, how do we either lower that barrier of entry, because a lot of it is, technical, and you go to a sales training as I went to school to be an English teacher. So communication and learning was more my thing. But when I'm asked a question about a specific capacitor or something, or a connector, you know what I mean? Like they call it knowing enough to be dangerous, but that's what I wonder about is there a way that we can lower that where you don't have to be as technical, maybe, or is that a barrier that's causing some people to get in and then go, whoa, this is way too technical for me?
Yeah. It's like too narrow of a funnel, right? To get into the industry.
Yeah, I mean, because in our industry, there's people that are specialists at certain products, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's like they know everything about that one product, but then if you ask them to go off the board or go somewhere else or talk about something else, it's like, I don't know about that. Call those people. Yeah. So I guess my recommendation to a person coming in would be like, don't try to know everything. Don't try and make it a knowledge contest. Just try and know who knows everything, So be the person to connect people, be a connector person, to the knowledge experts, I guess.
If you like Leadership in Manufacturing podcast, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Leadership in Manufacturing on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Make sure to check our website. It's called leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.